Hi everyone, it's another day, another lafangerns for us to cook for today. Very easy recipe. So for my recipe today, I got this from the bargain box, but this is not sponsored. Friends, this is Mexi beef fajita. Very easy. All you need to do is just follow the ingredients and everything is already provided. So for the recipe, we have the smoky Mexican spice, the tomato paste, and then our beef stock. We have our beef meats. That one, they all waited already. And then we have the tortilla, spinach, our sour cream, and our canned beans. And then we have our sweet chili oil and our veggies like the capsicum, onion, and the carrots. And then I slice it to thin wedges, thin slice. Yeah, muna na siya tanan. Easy. So to start, you need to heat up the fry pan and cook the beef for about 7 minutes until it's brown. And then you transfer this to a heat cook bowl. And next you have to prepare for the next thing. Still use the same pan to fry your veggies. So for the veggies, heat the pan again. Cook the onion, carrot, and capsicum for 5 minutes until brown. And then you add the paste, the smoky Mexican spice, and then cook this for about 2 minutes. Okay. After 2 minutes, you put in our beef stock and together with our kidney beans, and then let it stay as well. Simmer it for like 2 minutes until the water will be reduced and the sauce will be thickened. When the veggies is cooked, veggies are cooked, you combine the beef together with the veggies and then give it like 2 minutes and it's done, ready to serve. Okay, Ana. Naka-set up na siya. Tapon na ako mga bata para sila yung set up sa ilang kapalingon tortilla. Ikaw, bebe.
Would you call me?
Clark! Di mo good makita ang naong good.
What's that?
Oh no.
Hi. What's this?
First is the spinach. You put first the spinach.
That's not normal today. I think you won't even eat this.
Spinach. And then you,
Oh, look how cute hers is.
yeah, like that. And then mix veggies and beef. Then you can put that. It's up to you. You want to put sweet chili on it?
No. Hot,
You're
hot,
fine.
probably low.
Sweet chili, Clark.
Probably.
Oh no. I should have rolled it the other way.
Sweet and sour.
Not too much.
Dagan ra yung gibutan. Kuha na. Yum?
Mm.
Sweet and sour, Clark. You put sweet and sour on it. Go. You can add. You can buy more tortillas. Go. You can add. You can buy more tortillas in the supermarket because there's still plenty of meat. Yeah, you can just grab that way and eat right away, Clark. And
Take your time.
Lame.
Love it.
So it's optional that to put spice if you like chili flakes, but that's optional because if you don't like chili, then ako sabi, ano ako kabalo ba ko mo set up ang tortilla na ako. Na to perfect ba? Or nakasana na to. Depende na kung saan na pag-assemble as long as imong makaon o mahurot ang imong gi-prepare. Sayang ba yan ang imong prepare niya? Imo hot don. So guys, what do you think? Is this a good business opportunity in the Philippines? Kay ang mga consumers ani makasave, at least makasave siya. Di ka matakad tong supermarket ni patakad punit, wala sa imong budget. So guys, this is the end of my vlog for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button and like as well. Bye bye for now.